do you feel it's not only a thing in history, but history as well, but all aspects of society really? So this aspect that we are almost married to our ideas, and that
Mm.
if anyone comes about with even just a different way of looking at things, we won't entertain it because we are so tribal with our ideas and these ideologies that we hold. Be it in any landscape, really, be it in politics with the political parties we represent,
Mm.
be it in the food we eat, in let's say vegetarianism or veganism, non-vegetarianism. So don't you feel it's almost this aspect that's happening in society right now, that people are almost becoming tribal in the way they look at things?
Right. Yeah, the thing is, we do break down with collapse, with ideas collapsing. And this breakdown happens because of this constant conditioning of growing up in an environment which just imposes this way of working in a society or functioning in a society. And once these functions, once we establish that, these are established functions, any other things that emerge out of this context, they are automatically given this sort of inferior stance, this sort of stance of, going beyond what's orthodox. And yes, that's true, because see, what happens is, people are not essentially just humans trying to survive, through means of biological evolution, but we are also cultural beings. We are also beings who are, constantly forming ourselves through ideas. And once we start seeing that, there is this hostility towards our ideas, we start to question our own beliefs. We start to question, and when we start to question our own beliefs, we in turn start questioning our very own existence. Because if our ideas form us, right, we exist on the basis of our ideas, and you're breaking that idea, then, I'm questioning my own existence. I'm questioning what I've always believed. And to believe a new thing is going to be going back to square one, as and that's just, being lazy again. Do you want to restart? Do you want to
Hmm.
start thinking from a new perspective? You want to go back to square one, be a toddler, again. So I think that's something that, and this needs to change, because people don't realize that, even with ideas, though I'm not someone who, blames religion for things, or constantly say that, just because you're religious, you are stupid, or, you don't have, you can't argue with me through that perspective. There are certain beliefs and there's certain ideas that would definitely need to catch up with the times, that would definitely need to, be allocated in accordance to the needs outside. These entire ideas of being woke or being
Hmm.
historically conscious. For example, the trans community in India, the Hijras. So, the idea of seeing them as outsiders, largely it's viewed as, these people are viewed in certain. So there is an idea that, these people come on the street, they clap, and they come to weddings or to a birth, and they ask for money, and or they are prostitutes. These are some of the jobs that are associated. These are the stereotypical ideas we have of them. Now, the idea of beginning to accept these communities in mainstream culture, their representation in perhaps movies, or getting them jobs, or getting them to, do things beyond these stereotypical ideas that we have fashioned of them, that is still uncomfortable for a lot of people, because these are not ideas that they have grown up with. They haven't grown up with going to a shopping store and seeing a trans person who is a
Hmm.
salesperson, right?
Hmm.
They haven't seen that. But if only we were to become more conscious, if only were we to think about the fact that these people too have evolved with us. And I'm going to just thrust history here too, that, once you begin realizing that these people too have a history, these people too have had that evolution, they too belong to the same time period, and their ideas and how they're existing is equally valuable. I think only then can we perhaps be more open to new ideas and new things coming about. Otherwise, we are just stuck in our own loops.